Hey guys, we're gonna show you how to shift a Jeep Wrangler into 4x4. We're gonna show you how to do 4 high first, and then we're gonna show you how to shift into 4 low. What you're gonna need to do for 4 high is you're gonna put the shifter into drive, and you want to cast from 0 to 20, and then shift it. The reason we do this is just to avoid any damages to the transfer case. It's that simple, very easy. And now you see that the color is yellow solid on 4H, and you've successfully shifted into 4 high. In order to shift into 4 low, what you're gonna need to do is go on neutral. You're gonna go to a full stop, and then you're just gonna tug on it. You're gonna get into neutral, and then now you are officially on 4 low. So again, as you're shifting to 4 low from 4 high, you will get into neutral and then 4 low. Sometimes it's a bit more smooth and it just goes directly from 4 high into 4 low. In order to shift back, in case you're wondering, you're gonna stay on neutral, you're gonna stay on a full stop, and you're just gonna push it back up, and now we're on 2 high. So you could always stop at 4 high if you really wanted to. In this case, we're back on 2 high and we're good to go. That's how you shift a Jeep Wrangler to a 4x4. Thank you for watching.